Hello everyone, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today we come back in the kitchen again. We're gonna do one of my favorite snack dish. We call crispy Pad Thai. So in the previous episode, we make the tuna Pad Thai already. So we're gonna use the same sauce in this dish. So all the ingredient is the Pad Thai sauce. You can check all the recipe in previous video, EP tuna Pad Thai. So, but in this dish, just add some more of the paprika pepper to make the nice color and more red color. So we have 4 ounces of diced chicken breast. We have bean sprout. We have scallion. We have diced fried tofu, whole egg, ground peanut, 2 pieces of shrimp, lamb, and 10 pieces of the wonton skin. So first, this episode we call the crispy Pad Thai. You might be have a question how crispy. So I'm gonna show you. So first, we're gonna cut the wonton skin like this. Then we're gonna dice the shrimp, cut in half first and dice in small pieces, and we're gonna deep fry until the shrimp is crispy to make the good texture, the crispy texture. Same time, we're gonna put the shrimp in the deep fry. Then we're gonna put the wonton. So do the half first. So make sure our wonton skin is crispy. So see the color is golden brown and crispy. So we drain the oil out. Then fry the rest of the wonton skin. So our shrimp is ready. So this one we use instead of the small fried shrimp. So we dice the shrimp in the small piece and then deep fry. Okay, our wonton ready. Drain the oil out. Same as the fried shrimp. So now when we finish everything, all the ingredients, we deep fry the wonton skin. So we set everything up, we come to the workstation. Then we put the vegetable oil a little bit. So do as same as you make the regular pad thai. Take then diced chicken breast. So when the chicken is cooked, put some PadThai sauce. Put all the ingredients: peanut, bean sprout, scallion, fried tofu, and crispy shrimp. So when you see all the sauce is bubble, that means we caramelize the sauce, and then we add the wonton skin, and then we toss a little bit. So make sure that all the sauce is cover all the wonton skin. So use the low heat, and then try to toss all the ingredients. So it's ready. So you see all the sauce is covered with the wonton skin, and everything's mixed well. It's ready. Okay, now we go to plating. So and then we put all the chicken, all the tofu, Then we sprinkle with the ground peanut, garnish with the lamb and the scallion. So this is the crispy pad thai. When we're gonna try later. So if you like this video clip, don't forget to give me a thumb up. Don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Danny Kitchen Mafia. And again, I hope you enjoy and you know how to make the crispy pad thai. You can make for your friend and your family at home. Stay tuned with the new episode. Thank you. See you in the next episode. Tasting time.
It looks delicious. I'm gonna use my hands.
Okay.
Fatality. Really good. Tasty. I like the taste of
I'm
peanuts.
sorry. One more time.
Sorry. It's very tasty. I love to feel the taste, crispy taste at the same time. Combined with the peanuts, a little tofu, the shrimps. I feel give extra flavors, and the sauce you put at the when you start the cooking. What's the name?
The pad thai sauce.
Pad Thai sauce. It's complete. The taste combined with the bean sprouts.
And how different from the traditional pad thai? The regular pad thai.
The crispy wonton
Okay, so it's crispy enough.
on the point.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Let's go, Jeff.
Now it's my turn.
It's way too long.
So everything. So try to a bite.
Cheers.
Cannot stop.
Would you show us, please, what is the first flavor you feel in your tongue when you start to eating? The first flavor.
So everybody know how the pad thai tastes, the traditional pad thai. So, but this version, I would like to do like snack portion. So you can do more, less, and for the party. So it's not like have to be the traditional pad thai that you have to pick all the long noodle up. You can use your hand, and then like a bite size that you can compare with that you can pairing with your liquor, beer, whiskey for your party. So this is the concept all about. And again, this the I would like to twist Thai food a little bit to be another dish that you never see before. So this one is crispy pad Thai. You can find in Thailand in Thai street food everywhere. So but this version you can make at your home. Thank you very much. Thank you.